Hey guys, and welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we're going to cover copying over a text file as well as alternative ways that we can work with files. So I actually have a sample file called sample.txt, which we can open up. And because we haven't specified the mode, it's going to default to read. And normally we've read the entire file at once using the read function. But we don't always want to do that. Sometimes we want to just be able to read in a line at a time. And Python actually allows that with the readLine method. And you can see this is the first line, \n. I can do that again to get this is the second line, \n. And sometimes we don't want trailing white spaces or new line characters at the end. So then we can just rstrip using the regular Python string functions in order to get rid of trailing spaces and extra characters. And there we go, there's no \n over here. So let's go ahead and seek back to the beginning of the file. Instead of reading in the lines one at a time, you can actually opt to read all of the lines at once with read lines. And what we see is all of the different lines inside of a list with comma separating the lines as elements. Both of these operations are incredibly useful when we want to do something one line at a time in a file. So that example actually comes up right now. So what we want to do is copy over the file, and so I actually have this text file called in over here, which is a quote from Atlas Shrugged by Ayn Rand, and we're going to copy that over into another text file called out. So let's try and do that right now. We can open, using the with method, our in.txt as f, and then we're going to open up an out.txt in write mode as out. And what we can do is for line in f out.write line. And if we go ahead and check the folder where out should be, here we have it, out.txt, and you see it's the exact same quote. So what did we do? We decided to use the with method in order to open up the in.txt and out.txt as file objects, and then we went through each line using a for loop, and for each line we ended up writing out the line's contents to our output file. And both of these file objects are closed automatically because we've opted to use the with method versus opening them up manually. That's about it for this lecture, and I'll see you guys next time.